Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about adding dissimilar fractions using butterfly method. Let's answer this. Find the sum. These fractions are dissimilar fraction because they have different denominators. First, multiply the numerators and the denominators diagonally. First, multiply 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Next, multiply 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. Now, multiply the two denominators. We have 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 is our new denominator. Now, add the product of the diagonal pairs of numerators and denominators together. We have 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Then, copy the denominator 15. So, the answer is 13 fifteenths. Since 13 fifteenths is already the lowest term, then 13 fifteenths is our final answer. Another problem. 1/4 plus 2/3. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. First, we have here 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then, multiply the two denominators. So, 4 times 3 equals 12. Next, add the product of the diagonal pairs of numerators and denominators together. So, 3 plus 8 equals 11. Then, copy the denominator 12. Since 11/12 is already the lowest term, then 11/12 is our final answer. Another problem. 3/5 plus 2/6. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. So, 3 times 6 equals 18. 5 times 2 equals 10. Next, multiply the two denominators. 5 times 6 equals 30. Now, add the product of the diagonal pairs of the numerators and denominators together. So, 18 plus 10 equals 28. Then copy the denominator 30. So, the answer is 28/30ths. Let's convert or reduce fraction into its lowest term. Let's convert or reduce 28/30ths into its lowest term. To reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. So, the greatest common factor of 28 and 30 is 2. Now, divide the numerator. 28 divided by 2 equals 14. Then, divide the denominator. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So our final answer is 14/15. Another problem. 2/8 plus 5/10. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have 2 times 10 equals 20. 8 times 5 equals 40. Multiply the two denominators. We have here 8 times 10 equals 80. Now, add the product of the diagonal pairs of the numerators and denominators together. We have here 20 plus 40 equals 60. Then copy the denominator 80. So the answer is 60/80ths. Now, let's convert 60/80ths into its lowest term. To reduce a fraction, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 60 and 80 is 20. Now, divide the numerator. 60 divided by 20 equals 3. Divide the denominator. 80 divided by 20 equals 4. So our final answer is 3/4. Another problem. 5/9 plus 4/7. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 5 times 7 equals 35. 9 times 4 equals 36. Multiply the two denominators. So 9 times 7 equals 63. Add the product of the diagonal pairs of the numerators and denominators together. We have 35 plus 36 equals 71. Now, copy the denominator 63. So the answer is 71/63. Now, let's convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now, let's divide the numerator by the denominator. We have here 71 divided by 63. So 71 divided by 63 equals 1. 1 times 63 equals 63. Subtract 71 minus 63 equals 8. Now, the quotient will be our whole number. We have here 1. The remainder becomes the numerator. We have here 8. And the denominator remains the same. We have here 63rd. So our final answer is 1 and 8/63. Another problem. 3/4 plus 5/7. First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. We have here 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 5 equals 20. Then multiply the two denominators. We have here 4 times 7 equals 28. Now, add the product of the diagonal pairs of the numerators and denominators together. We have here 21 plus 20 equals 41. Copy the denominator 28. So the answer is 41/28. Let's convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. 41/28. It's an improper fraction. So let's convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. We have here 41 divided by 28. So we have here 1. 1 times 28 equals 28. Subtract 41 minus 28 equals 13. So the quotient 1 will be our whole number. The remainder becomes the new numerator. Then the denominator remains the same. Copy the denominator 28. So our final answer is 1 and 13/28. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Find the sum. Write your answers in lowest terms if possible. You only have 5 seconds to answer. 1/3 plus 3/5. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 14/15. 2/5 plus 1/6. Time's up. The answer is 17/38. 3/4 plus 2/9. Time's up. The answer is 35/36. 2/9 plus 3/5. Time's up. The answer is 37/45. Next, 3/7 plus 2/4. Time's up. The answer is 13/14. Next, 2/8 plus 1/4. Time's up. The answer is 1/2. Another 3/4 plus 1/6. Time's up. The answer is 11/12. Next, 4/7 plus 5/8. Time's up. The answer is 1 and 11/56. 3/8 plus 7/9. Time's up. The answer is 1 and 11/70. Next, 4/5 plus 5/6. Time's up. The answer is 1 and 19/30. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about adding dissimilar fraction using butterfly method. Thanks for watching.